How bad is the used car market right now? Well, our friends at Jalopnik posted a really good article about some of the used car prices being asked for normal vehicles. And they put together an array of some cars that they found for sale. And, here's an example of a almost 10-year-old Chevy Malibu asking $25,000. That car probably didn't sell that much new and now has 84,000 miles on it. Here is a Mitsubishi Mirage, very normal, ordinary car. Um, these cars book out for about $14,000 according to the Kelley Blue Book, and these are all asking about $30,000 for these vehicles, and they have relatively low miles, 10, 20,000 miles, but still, it's a vehicle that probably didn't sell for that much as a sticker price. Here's one of the ones I found most interesting. Here's a 2006 Ford Fusion. 34,000 miles, has low miles, but they're asking $20,000 for basically a 16-year-old vehicle. And what you're going to find is because of the shortage of used cars, you're going to find that a lot of dealers are asking a lot of money for a used car because some people just need to have a car and there's nothing else out there. You may use this to your advantage if you have an extra vehicle to sell, but you'll find that used car values are so high right now that you can almost ask anything you want and people at least will still contact you. They may not buy it, but it's not going to be totally overlooked if you have something that is at all presentable. And if it's something desirable, like certain types of Ford trucks or Jeeps or some EVs, the demand is so high that you'll probably get the money for it. So if you have an extra vehicle and you don't need it for the next year or so, it might be a good time to sell. Just make sure you have a good title and put that car in the market and see what you can get for it. It doesn't hurt. If you decide not to sell it, you can always keep it, but you may be able to get good money for it. Just make sure you don't need another vehicle to replace it because you might have a tough time finding that or have to pay too much for a replacement vehicle.